guys, my name is Suresh and welcome back to my channel. So last week on Friday I couldn't upload a video and that's because I was feeling really unwell. So now that I am completely rested, I'm finally getting to sit down and shoot this video so that it can go up on Tuesday, which is today when you guys are watching it. So yes, welcome to my channel. Today I have a haul for you guys and it's a crazy sale haul. Like all the things I got were at super affordable prices, and plus they are from places like H&M, Westside and Forever 21. So you know, these places like tend to be kind of expensive sometimes, but all the things that I got on crazy discounted prices. Like I think they were almost like 50 and 70% off, which is like super exciting. So yes, without any further ado, let's just get started with this haul video. Okay, so first we are going to get started with Westside. So this is the bag. So I went to Westside last weekend on Sunday, or like the weekend before that. Westside has a 50 to 70% sale going on, and on top of that, the items that are on sale also have a 3 for 2 kind of deal. So basically all the items on sale, apart from the fact that they are on sale, you can also buy 3 items in the price of 2. I really hope I'm making sense. So I got 4 things. So first, the first thing that I got, they all still have their tags on because like I said, I just went last weekend. So the first thing that I got is this striped shirt dress. Now I won't be able to show it here properly, but obviously you guys can see it on the try on. So this one was initially $12.99, but I got it for $7.99, which is an amazing deal. It's already meant to be a very loose shirt dress, but I got it in XL, and the reason why is because A, I wanted it to be baggy, and B, XL was the only size left in that store that I went to, so I just grabbed it because it looked really nice. It's very loose fitting and it's just perfect to wear it with some thigh-high boots. The second thing that I got are a pair of earrings. So it's this beautiful drop earrings with this marble detail. I'll quickly show you guys a close-up. So let's just hope it focuses. Yeah, as you guys can see, so it has this beautiful marble detail. Okay, so this is the only product that I got on full price, and it was not on sale on Westside, but it was only 199 rupees. The next item that I got on Westside is actually a pair of bra, and I'm not going to go into much details about this because, you know, like it's just a pair of bra, and that was on sale too, and I believe I got it for 399 rupees. I think the initial rate was $8.99 and I got it for $3.99, so that was a pretty decent deal. Now since all the sale items had a 3 for 2 deal going on, I didn't realize it until I was at the checkout and I was paying for all the 3 items that I got initially. And then the lady at the checkout, she was really nice and she told me that, you know, there's a 3 for 2 deal going on, so you've already grabbed 2 things, you just need to grab another thing so that can be free, or like the cheapest out of the 3 that you got can be free. And to be honest, apart from those 2 things, everything else that were on sale, either the ones that I did like but not in my size, or you know, I was just not liking the other things. So you know, I kind of struggled there a bit to find something that I can get for free. But you know what, I just finally saw this white blouse, and this was for $3.99. I will do a try on so that you guys can see. So this one was again $12.99 and I got it for $3.99. So the unique thing about this top is that it has this puffy sleeve going on, but I'm still not 100% sure about this. I mean, there was a reason why I didn't pick it up initially because I didn't really like it that much. but since I kind of had to, since one item was going to be free, I just got it. So the next store that I went to was H&M, and I got a very small bag because I only got 3 items from there. And again, H&M too was having the same deal as Westside. Like they were having you know, some items on sale, and I believe even they had like 70% off sale, and all the items on sale were also having a 3 for 2 offer going on. So the first one that I got is this cute, oops, it's yeah, so the first item that I got is this cute little crop top. So it's a crop top, but it kind of looks like a bralette, I guess, but it is a crop top, guys, and it's like, as you can see, it's fully sequined. Obviously in India I won't be able to wear it just as is, so obviously I'll pair it with a t-shirt or a sheer top inside, so I'm just still figuring it out. This was actually priced at rupees 399 and I got it for rupees 350, which I think was a great deal. So the second thing I got, or the last 2 things that I got from H&M, are some jewelry pieces. They were having some amazing discount on some amazing jewelry pieces, and I just like, I had to get them. So the first thing I got is this 3-piece choker set. So as you can see, this is how they look. I'm gonna give you guys a close up. So that is how they look. They have this metal choker over here, and then these 2 plain chokers for layering, and I just really loved it. So as you can see, I got it for rupees 250 and think they were initially priced at rupees 599, so that is an awesome deal. So the next piece of jewelry that I got is again another choker, and it's this really dainty one, and it has these letters going on in the bottom that says Dazed, and I just thought it was so cute. So this is initially priced at 499 and I got it on sale for 250 rupees. I'm just going to show you guys a close-up. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's just a plain dainty little choker that says Dazed at the bottom, and I just thought it was so cute. Obviously I only had to pay for 2 things, so I had to pay 350 for the crop top and I had to pay 250 for one of the jewelry, and the other jewelry was free. So the last store that I went to was Forever 21, and this is the package. So I actually didn't go to the store physically, I did some online shopping. These 2 items are something that I have been looking for quite a while now, so I'm so glad I got it. So the first thing I got a short skirt, and I have been looking for this exact skirt for the longest time. So basically this skirt costs 1049 rupees, which in itself is actually not that expensive at all compared to, you know, some other prices that I saw in other stores. But I actually got it for 629 rupees, which is like 50% off, and I think that was just an absolute steal. I love it, and this one is going to be a little tricky to show it to you guys, but you know, you guys can see it in the try-on version of how it actually looks. It's a blue color pinstripe pencil skirt, and it has a slit here. So this one was again priced at rupees 1399, and I believe I got it for 839 rupees, which is again a near 50% off, which is awesome. Now the only drawback about this blue skirt, I would say, is that it wrinkles so easily, guys. It's a little bit loose, but I'm just going to see and figure out what I can do about it. I'll have to see if I can just manage with that, or I just have to go to the tailors and get it refitted. I can't get it exchanged because Forever 21 online has this policy that their sale items cannot be exchanged or returned. So thank God at least I didn't get items that was too tight, because that would just have been, you know, something that I couldn't fix. So guys, those were all the things that I got on sale over the past 2 weeks, and I thought I should just quickly shoot this haul video and show it to you guys, because I believe that the sale is still going on and it is going to be there till this coming weekend. So I suggest, if you guys want to get some amazing pieces on some great discounted prices, that you should just go and check it out right now. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.